befuddled by SEO? You're not alone. I'm going to teach you 3 simple, though not easy, admittedly, steps to nail your SEO in this Whiteboard Wednesday. Hi, I'm Sam Ashdown from Firewave, and SEO is something we get asked a lot about from our Firewave members. It's a very complicated subject and there seems to be an awful lot to learn. I was listening to a really interesting podcast this morning where it said if you're not going to spend at least £3,000 to £4,000 a month on SEO, then don't bother. So there's lots and lots of companies out there that are offering SEO for £100, £200, £500 a month. What are they actually doing? Probably very little. But there are simple things that you can do yourself to make your SEO work harder for you. First of all, I should probably say what SEO actually is. It stands for Search Engine Optimization, which just means being found in Google. Let's keep it really simple. Number 1, a key to SEO that you need to attend to on your website is the architecture of how your website looks. That is how your headings look, how your subheadings look. It's how your meta description, it's your alt tags. So the meta description is what comes up on Google, the little summary paragraph underneath the URL, the link. And the alt tags are how you describe one of your photographs, one of your images that's been uploaded onto your website. So those things are really, really important to get right. It's very important that Google understands how your site is structured. It's a bit like going into a library and nothing's in the right place. Google likes indexes. The other really important thing to remember is that URLs or websites don't rank, pages rank. So every page needs its own architecture, its own SEO structure. Number 2 is content. What are people actually Googling, and are they falling on your website, and are they then reading the content you have on your website about that title? So for example, Home Truths, which is a website that I run for homeowners trying to sell more effectively, that has got lots of very Googleable titles, including things like lots of viewings but no offers, why? It's the kind of thing that somebody would actually put into Google. Or floor plans, do we need them? Those are things that actually are Googled questions, and when people Google those, I rank really highly for them because I answer that question in the content. So is your content answering questions that people are actually asking on Google? And then lastly, number 3 is links. Is anybody linking to you? Are you a credible source? Is your local paper linking to you? Are there any media sites that link to you? Are there other credible industry sites that are linking to you? Because Google uses that as a ranking factor and as a credibility factor to determine whether your site is a site to send people to, based on what it is that they've seen about you online. Okay, so those are the top 3 simple but not easy steps to get your SEO nailed: architecture, content, and links. And if you'd like to find out more about what Firewave can do for you and your estate agency or your letting agency, all you need to do is click the link in the caption, and that'll take you to a page where you can find out if your area is available, and then we can have a conversation. So look forward to speaking to you soon, and look forward to seeing you on the next Whiteboard Wednesday. Bye for now.